Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this problem that we're going to be solving. This is an exponential equation which we are going to be solving in this video. So the question reads bracket 1 whole number 1 over 2 bracket close raised to power 2x plus 1 plus minus 4 whole number 1 over 24 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 raised to power x plus 1 whole number 1 over 2 equal to 0. And the question said we should find the value of x. That is, what is the value of x that once you replace x with the value right here, it is actually going to satisfy this equation. This is what we are going to be solving, and I'm actually going to be showing you how you can go about solving similar problems like this. And so just before we continue, if you are new to our channel, do what to give the video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. And of course, you go ahead and check it out for yourself. And you can also do well to follow us on Facebook. It is still at Online Maths Hub, so follow us right there, like our page. And having done that, we are going to proceed with this video. Okay, so once you have this, I'm going to write my solution, and then I will repeat this question, which is 1 whole number 1 over 2 all raised to the power 2x plus 1 plus bracket minus 4 whole number 1 over 24 times 1 whole number 1 over 2 all raised to power x plus 1 whole number 1 over 2. Okay, and this is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do next is just to go ahead and change all of these things to improper fraction. So changing this, I'm going to have 2 times 1 plus this is actually 3 over 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 plus, okay, 24 times 4 is actually 96. 96 plus 1, we are still going to be having 97 over 24. Okay, and then times, if you change this one, it will give you a 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, plus this one will still give you 3 over 2, and it is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and simplify this right here. From the law of indices, you have that if you have something like this, that x times x raised to power b times x raised to power y, you can actually write it as x raised to power b plus y, since they are having the same base. Okay, so if you have this, you can actually convert back to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to split this right here, and if I do that, what I'm going to be having is 3 over 2 raised to power 2x times 3 over 2. Okay, and then plus into minus 97 over 24 plus 3 over 2 raised to power x plus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the next thing I will do, same law of indices. If you have a raised to power x or the raised to power uh, if, if you have a raised to power xb, you can actually write this as a raised to power x bracket b, or you can also write it as a raised to power b, and then you bring out x. So whichever one actually goes. So what I'm going to do now is to split this stuff right here. So I can write it as 3 raised to power 2 or bracket x. Okay, and then I can also put another bracket raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2 plus into minus 97 divided by 24, and then multiplied by, okay, this is multiplication, 3 over 2 raised to power x plus 3 over 2. So what I'm going to do now is I will let my x 3 raised to power 2 raised to power x to be equal to, let's say, b. Okay, and if that happens, I will now replace it with this. I have b squared times 3 raised to power 2 plus, okay, into 97 divided by 24 multiplied by b, I will also replace this by b, plus 3 over 2 equal to 0. So this is what I have now. So I can now go ahead and multiply and open this bracket. And if I do that, what I'm going to be having is 3b squared over 2 minus, so let me just bring out it, minus 97 over 24b plus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so at this point I'm going to use 2 to multiply both sides so that I will clear this fraction right here. So multiply through by 2, and if I do that, the 2 will actually remove this. I will have 3b squared minus, so if I multiply 2, okay, so let me just write the step. Multiplying through by 2, I will have 2 times 3 b squared raised to the power 2 divided by 2 rather, minus 92 times 97 b divided by 24 plus 2 times 3 over 2 is equal to 0. So these two can cancel these two. 2 here, 2 here, 12, and then these two will also cancel these two. So I'm now left with 3b squared minus 97 divided by 12, 97b divided by 12, and then plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so in order for me to have linear, what I'm going to do is just to multiply through by this 12 right here. And if I do that, I'll be having, this is 3 times 12 will give me 36 b squared minus 97 b plus 36 equal to 0. So now I have a linear quadratic equation. So I am just going to use any of the quadratic methods to solve, but for the sake of convenience, I am going to be using the formula method. And don't forget, the formula method says that b is equal to, okay, so my b, so let me just asterisk this. That is the b in the question. It's actually going to be minus b, and this b is actually the coefficient of x, okay, in the general quadratic equation, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Okay, in this case, my a, which is the coefficient of b squared, is actually 36. My b is equal to minus, which is the coefficient of b, is equal to minus 97, and then c, which is the constant, is also 36. So I'm going to replace all of these things in this formula, and if I do that, my b x is now actually going to be minus 97, which is actually going to, well, we simplify that, minus 97 plus or minus 97 squared minus 4 times 36 times 36, okay, and then it's all divided by 2 times 36, okay. And so moving further, I'll have that my bx is now equal to 97 plus or minus the square root of 97 squared is actually 9409, okay, minus, if you multiply all of these things, you're going to be having 5184, okay, and of course it is divided by 2 times 36 will give me 72. Okay, so this is equal to 97 plus or minus root, if you subtract this, you'll be having 4225, all divided by 72, okay, and of course this will also give me 97 plus or minus, if you actually take the square root of this, you'll be having 65, and then it's all divided by 72. Okay, so moving further, my my bx is now equal to 97 plus or minus, okay, 97, let me just take the case of minus 97 minus 65 divided by 72, or 97 plus 65 all divided by 72. This is actually going to give us 32 over 72, or 162 divided by 72. Sorry, this is 72. Okay, divided by 72. Now we can proceed to divide. Okay, so if you divide this is actually going to give you, if you divide this by 8, this is actually going to give you 4. And if you divide this by 8, this will give you, now this is actually 4 divided by 9. Okay, or 18 into here will actually give 9, and then 18 divide 72 will give 4. So this is also 9 over 4. Okay, so we've gotten that our B star, which is actually B in the question, it will either be 4 over 9 or 9 over 4. But remember, but this our B, we set it to be equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, so we are going to say, we are going to solve when our b is equal to, let's take this one for instance, 9 over 4. Okay, so we're going to be having 9 over 4 is equal to 3 over 2 raised to power x. Okay, and of course this can also be, we can split this. 9 is actually 3 over 2 divided by 4 is 2 over 2. Okay, and this is 3 equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, so since the powers are the same, we can actually put 3 over 2 in bracket and then put x, and this is 3 over 2 all raised to power x. So since the base are the same here, we can cancel the base, and then we have that our x is equal to 2. Okay, now when x is, or rather when b is equal to 4 over 9, what are we going to have? We have that 4 over 9 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, so this is 2 raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, and then we can also put this one in bracket. We'll be having 2 divided by 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, so what we are going to do is actually to take the reciprocal of this, and then we are going to be doing 1 over reciprocal of this number, which will also give us the same thing. So taking the reciprocal of this is actually 1 over this fraction, which is actually 1 over 2 divided by 3, okay, all raised to power minus 2, okay, is equal to 3 over 2, okay, all raised to power x. And then the reciprocal of this, if you solve this, this is actually going to give you 3 over 2 all raised to power minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power x. And then of course, since they are now the same, we can cancel the base, and then we have that our x is equal to minus 2. So with all these solvings, we can see that our x is actually equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, so the first one was positive, and then the second one here is negative. So which means that if you come back to the question we have right here, okay, so if you come back to this question over here, if you substitute x to be equal to, if you substitute x to be equal to plus 2, or you substitute x to be equal to minus 2, this left hand side should give you equal to. So you can actually go ahead and try it out, and you're actually going to be seeing that it is really correct. So thank you so much, and of course do well to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, do drop in the comment box and I'll surely get back to you, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.